Well, welcome back to my channel, everybody. Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault, and today we are going to talk about the incredible benefits you get when you drink lemon water every day, and we're going to start right now. Yes, drinking lemon water actually every morning can really help you out. I drink it warm in the morning, but then I also have it in some of my water during the day. I'll just throw it in, so that's on ice more. But in the morning, I actually drink it warm, and there's a lot of benefits that you get from drinking lemon water. I mean, it's just amazing benefits, and I'm going to go over those right now. So one is that it's packed with vitamin C, and I think that's probably no surprise to anybody, but it also has a lot of antioxidants in it, which work together to form a protective effect against cataracts and macular degeneration in the eyes. So it helps you see better and actually slows down damage to your eyes as you age, but also it helps in anti-aging because of the antioxidants. And we're all about that, right? I'm all about aging well. I'm 59 years old. I'm going to be 60 next year. I'm definitely aging. My whole channel is about being healthy and trying to age as gracefully as possible. That way, you know, what I want to do is I want to be able to, when I'm in my 80s, I want to be able to walk around without being hunched over like this and without being in a wheelchair. I want to make sure that I'm healthy and I'm actually living not only a longer life, but I'm living a higher quality life as I age. And that's what I think most of us probably want. So there's some things you have to give up. There's some things that you can do in order to get to those benefits. And one of them is drinking lemon water during the day instead of, let's say, Coke or Pepsi, which I would never drink. I would never recommend drinking soda that has a lot of sugar and a lot of chemicals in it. But drinking like lemon water, because you know some people don't like this to drink water. Lemon water will actually add a little taste to it, but also add you the great vitamin C and the antioxidants to help you age slower. So that's important. Again, it's also like like I said, it has powerful antioxidants in there that not only help you age more gracefully, but also helps your skin be younger. So it's going to decrease blemishes, wrinkles, and it's going to help you get smoother, healthier looking skin because it has detoxifying benefits. And so that's a plus right there. And I think most of us would like to look younger, as opposed to just being, younger inside. You want to look younger outside too. And so substituting a lot of other drinks like coffee, which dehydrates you. A lot of people drink coffee all day long, and all that's going to do is dehydrate you. Or sugary drinks. Even drinking Gatorade. I mean, Gatorade was not meant to be something that you just sip all day long. It was meant, after a workout, you drink it. And there's actually better sports drinks than Gatorade out there, to tell you the truth. But anyway, what I want to get to is that, drinking lemon water through the day is going to help you also with your skin. And it's just amazing what it can do for you. Also, because of the vitamin C, and I think most of us know this, vitamin C is very important in helping your immune system fight off diseases. And that's very important nowadays, as we know, this global pandemic going around. We know that it's very important, to get our vitamin C in so that our immune system is as strong as possible. And it also means, even after this whole virus and pandemic goes away, it's going to help slow down your probability or reduce your probability of getting colds or flu or that kind of stuff. So it's very important for that. I think most of us don't like being sick, so it's a great benefit. Lemon water is acidic in nature, so it has an alkalizing effect on body tissue. So what it does is it actually balances your pH in your body. Your body's going to love that, trust me, and it's going to help you keep your weight off. It's just going to make you feel better, and I don't know, I can't say more about it. It's just going to make all your insides feel fantastic. And again, it's going to help you reduce weight because of that. And who doesn't want, and when I say weight, I don't mean the bad kind of way. It's not going to help you lose muscle, but it will help you lose fat. So that's important right there. So anyway, it's going to ensure optimal heart, brain, kidney, and muscular function. Now, let's be honest, who here doesn't want to have that, right? We all want to have a strong heart, brain, kidney, and muscular function. I mean, that's you need those things to live a happier, healthier life. And so it's a small sacrifice to pay to say, okay, I'm going to say no to that soda and I'm going to drink lemon water instead. It's a small sacrifice in order to gain that tremendous benefit that you can get from consuming lemon water, right? All right, the other thing is it's going to do, and a lot of us, especially ones who work a lot or work a lot of hours, and somewhere in the middle of the day we start to crash and we get really, really tired and we want to nap, and and we don't need that nap. We really don't. If we're getting our full 8 hours of sleep every night, which we should be doing, and hopefully you're all doing that, you don't need to nap during the day. And what lemon water is also going to do, it's going to give you energy because vitamin C has energy in it. So it's going to help you feel more alert, refreshed, and healthy, especially when you hit that afternoon time. So you're not reaching for that cup of coffee that's just going to dehydrate you and it's going to give you a little bit of an energy, and then you're going to crash from it. What's going to happen with lemon water is going to sustain that energy all during the day as you drink it. So, and it's not going, it's also providing electrolytes in your body. So it's actually not going to dehydrate you at all. And it's going to actually add electrolytes back into your body, which is going to make you feel much, much better and healthier. So with all that, those are the benefits that I see. There are many other benefits of consuming lemon water, but this is what I have in today's video. And I just want to ask if you really got something out of this. Again, what I ask of you is actually to try it, because none of this is going to work if you don't take action. So what I'm asking everyone to do is to try it. Try it for a month. Substitute your other drinks with lemon water and drink that for a month and see what happens. And I think you're gonna see the great benefit. You'll keep it going for the rest of your life. That's what I'm thinking. So if you like this video, again, take action. But if you like this video and you feel that it was helpful, make sure you click the thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel because I have videos coming out all the time and they're all about healthy living. So make sure that you do that. Hit that bell notification so you get notified. And if you feel that this can benefit someone else as well, make sure you share this with your family and friends and let them get the same benefit that you're going to get out of it. So that's all I had to say today. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will see you all next time. See you, everybody.